Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 11 geography. We are discussing chapter 3 of Indian geography book India's drainage system. This is the module 2 of this chapter. In module 1 we just introduce the chapter and give the explanation of the different terminology word we should know about the drainage system. In second module or in this module we are going to discuss the division of the drainage system on the different bases. So here is a flow map or flow chart of the division of the drainage system of India on three bases, or we can say that we can divide the drainage system of India on three bases. First, on the basis of discharge of water, means where the water discharged by the river. Second, on the basis of size of watershed, whatever be the size of watershed, so on which behalf we can classify the drainage system of India. And third, on the mode of origin, from where the river originate, from Himalayan area or from the peninsular area. So in this behalf or in these bases, on first discharge of water, second size of watershed, and third mode of origin, we can divide or the drainage system of India. So let's discuss one by one. First, discharge of water. So on the basis of discharge of water means orientation to the sea, it may be grouped into two parts. One, the Arabian Sea and second the Bay of Bengal. यानी कि रिवर अपना वाटर लास्ट में कहाँ डिस्चार्ज करती हैं, रिवर माउथ के बाद रिवर अपना वाटर कहाँ डिस्चार्ज करते हैं. सो उस बेसिस पर हम रिवर ड्रेनेज सिस्टम को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट, द रिवर विच ड्रेन देयर वाटर टू अरेबियन सी एंड द सेकेंड विच रिवर ड्रेन देयर वाटर टू द बे ऑफ बंगाल. They are separated from each other through the Delhi Ridge, the Aravalli and the Sahyadris. Sahyadris, the Western Ghats hills called as Sahyadris. Nearly 77% of the drainage area, nearly 77, we can say also 3-4% of the drainage area consisting of the Ganga. That's why Ganga is the largest river of India. The Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, etc. It oriented toward the Bay of Bengal. ये सारे river Himalayan river हैं and they move. Mahanadi and Krishna, these are the peninsular river and they move to the Bay of Bengal. While 23% comprising the Indus, the Namda, the Tapi and Mahi and Periyar system discharge their water into Arabian Sea. यानी इंडिया की 77% जो ड्रेनेज एरिया है covered by the Himalayan river maximally and two of river like Mahanadi and Krishna. So 77% water Bay of Bengal में drain होता है and 23% water drain into the Arabian Sea. As you know, Narmada and Tapi, these two rivers, they don't form delta, they form estuary and they drain to Western Ghat, and by through the Western Ghat they drain to the Arabian area, Arabian Sea area basically. Second, that is the size of watershed. So on the basis of size of the watershed, we can divide these rivers in three groups. Major river basin with more than 20,000 square kilometer of catchment area, यानी कि जिन रिवर का कैचमेंट एरिया यानी जहाँ से वो वाटर रिसीव करती हैं, इफ़ द एरिया इज़ मोर देन 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. It includes 14 drainage basins such as the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Krishna, the Tapi, Narmada, Mahi, Pennar, Sabarmati and Barak. You need to learn all these names. So जिन रिवर का कैचमेंट एरिया 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा है, they called as major river basin. Second, medium river basin with catchment area between 2 to 20,000 square kilometer. यानी जिन रिवर का कैचमेंट एरिया 2,000 से 20,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है, यानी मीडियम रिवर्स. सो नियर अबाउट 44 river basins such as the Kalindi, Periyar and Meghna, these included in this medium river basin. last minor river with catchment area of less than 2000 square kilometer. Very good number of river flowing in the area of low rainfall. ऐसी बहुत सारी रिवर्स हैं जिनका एज सच कोई नंबर नहीं है, जो सीजनल टाइम पे यानी रेनफॉल के टाइम पर डेवलप होती हैं और फिर थोड़े टाइम के बाद वो वापस से ख़त्म हो जाती हैं बेसिकली, या अंडरग्राउंड हो जाती हैं. सो दीज आर 3 bases, or we can say 3 group of the river on the basis of watershed. Next, on the mode of origin. On the basis of mode of origin, we can classify river on 2 types. Basically, we will discuss these mode of origin in India. So on the mode of origin, यानी rivers basically कहाँ से originate होती हैं. Nature or characteristic, the Indian drainage may also be classified into the Himalayan drainage system and the peninsular drainage system. There are 3 major river system in Himalayan drainage. One, Ganga river system, second, Indus river system, and the third one is Brahmaputra river system. And in peninsular drainage system, we will discuss 1, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, means the 4 rivers who drain their water to the Bay of Bengal, and the 2 rivers Narmada and Tapi who drain their water to Arabian Sea. So these are the major rivers we will discuss in the next modules. Thank you.